Looking for a high-performance foldable drone to elevate your aerial photography and video skills? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, we've got the top options lined up for you. Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best foldable drones you can get your hands on. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Lyzrc L200 Pro foldable drone. The Lyzrc L200 Pro foldable drone is a compact and versatile aerial device designed for ease of use and portability. Weighing just 216 grams and featuring foldable arms, it is conveniently small and easy to carry, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Equipped with an advanced 4K HD camera stabilized by an EIS 2-axis anti-shake gimbal, the drone ensures clear and smooth image quality during flight. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity enables real-time transmission of photos and videos directly to your smartphone via the dedicated app, allowing for seamless control and instant sharing. GPS-assisted flight technology provides precise positioning, giving pilots confidence during flight. The drone intelligently returns to its home point automatically when battery levels are low or the signal weakens, reducing the risk of loss. Its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system detects obstacles mid-flight and navigates around them, enhancing flight safety. Indoor flight is made easier and more stable with optical flow positioning, which maintains fixed altitude for steady shots. Powered by a brushless motor and a 6-axis gyroscope, the drone offers smooth, reliable flying and responsive control. Its durable yet lightweight fuselage is constructed from high-strength engineering plastics. The intelligent 7.4V 1600 mAh battery supports flight times of up to 20 minutes, providing ample time to capture aerial footage. Additional features include GPS follow mode, GPS pointing flight, zoom capabilities, and gesture control, expanding creative possibilities for users. Overall, the Lyzrc L200 Pro combines portability, advanced stabilization, intelligent flight systems, and user-friendly controls into a well-rounded drone experience suitable for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Coming in at number 4, the Wdszkmyf RG800 Max foldable drone. The Wdszkmyf RG800 Max foldable drone is a versatile and advanced aerial device designed to enhance the flying experience for both beginners and experienced users. Equipped with GPS and a relay version digital image transmission system, this drone offers a reliable connection without the need for Wi-Fi. Its remote control features a 4.5-inch large color LCD screen that provides real-time image transmission up to 3.5 kilometers, delivering a clear and stable video feed. One of the standout features is its 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system, capable of detecting obstacles within 20 meters to ensure safer flights. The drone also boasts an intelligent GPS tracking system, including forever follow and image tracking capabilities that identify and automatically follow subjects during flight. Users can control the camera angle remotely, adjusting it up to 90 degrees, allowing for dynamic shooting perspectives. Powered by a 7.4V 3800 mAh smart lithium battery and a brushless motor paired with optical flow hovering technology, the RG800 Max promises stable and smooth flight performance. Its folding size of 22 by 10 by 17.5 centimeters makes it compact and portable, ideal for on-the-go use. The remote control operates on a 3.7V 1200 mAh battery, contributing to extended usability. Additional functionalities include an aircraft search feature, activated through the GPS signal icon, which opens a map interface displaying the drone's last known location by distance, latitude, and longitude. Users can capture photos and videos with ease and share them directly, supporting both single and multiple photo sharing, while videos can be shared one at a time. Overall, the Wdszkmyf RG800 Max foldable drone combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to provide a comprehensive flying and filming experience. Its digital transmission, obstacle avoidance, and tracking systems ensure reliability and precision, making it a valuable tool for aerial photography and recreational flying. At number 3, we have the Nczoboe K30 foldable drone. The Nczoboe K30 foldable drone redefines aerial photography with its cutting-edge technology and sleek design. Equipped with a 4K electric modulation camera system, this drone captures stunningly clear and vibrant images that maintain the original color, light, and shadow of every scene. Each shot reflects a masterpiece quality thanks to its intelligent vision system, which ensures lossless, high-definition imagery with every press of the shutter. Designed to inspire endless creativity, the K30 offers seamless multi-scene adaptability, allowing users to explore crisscross mountains, vast seas, or urban landscapes with equal ease. Its foldable build makes it highly portable without compromising on performance, fitting effortlessly into the lifestyle of adventurers and creators alike. The drone's smart GPS feature provides peace of mind during flight. It intelligently plans the return path and navigates back quickly and safely to the starting point if needed. This automatic return enhances usability and reliability, especially in complex environments or unexpected conditions. One of the standout features of the Nczoboe K30 is its ability to switch between multiple aerial perspectives with a simple touch on the screen. This flexibility opens up new horizons in aerial photography, enabling the capture of diverse compositions and creative angles. The high-definition electric modulation camera pairs with an intuitive remote control system, delivering real-time HD transmission so pilots can view and adjust their shots on the fly. Blending innovation and ease of use, the Nczoboe K30 foldable drone empowers users to explore and document the world from unique viewpoints, turning every flight into an opportunity for artistic expression and discovery. Next up at number 2 is the Potensic C0 Mini foldable drone. The Potensic C0 Mini foldable drone is a versatile and lightweight flying companion designed to deliver an impressive aerial experience for both beginners and advanced pilots. Equipped with Surgefly TM technology, it offers 3 distinct flight modes: video, normal, and sport that provide flexible control options tailored to different skill levels and flying preferences. Whether you're exploring scenic landscapes or practicing complex maneuvers, these modes help enhance your flight experience with ease. One of the standout features of the Potensic C0 is its high-precision GPS auto-return system. This intelligent function ensures the drone can safely navigate back to its takeoff point with a single command, reducing the risk of losing the device during adventurous flights. This safety feature makes it an excellent choice for newcomers who may still be mastering flight control. At the heart of the drone's imaging capabilities is the 1/3 Sony CMOS sensor, delivering stunning visual quality. The drone captures sharp 12-megapixel photos and records smooth 4K videos at 30 frames per second, empowering users to create high-definition aerial footage and breathtaking images from unique perspectives. This level of clarity allows enthusiasts and content creators alike to craft their own visual masterpieces. The design of the Potensic C0 Mini is notably compact and foldable, weighing under 249 grams. This super lightweight form factor not only complies with many regulatory standards for drones, but also makes it incredibly portable. Its foldable structure fits easily into backpacks or travel bags, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want to capture moments during hikes, road trips, or any adventure without the hassle of bulky equipment. Combining advanced flight controls, safety features, and exceptional imaging technology in a compact, travel-friendly package, the Potensic C0 Mini foldable drone offers an exciting gateway into the world of aerial photography and drone piloting. Finally, at number 1, we have the Szwdse Wing 6 foldable drone. The Szwdse Wing 6 foldable drone is a versatile and feature-rich drone designed to offer both convenience and advanced flight capabilities. Equipped with GPS technology, it provides a one-click return function to the takeoff point, ensuring safety with automatic return when the battery is low or signal is lost. The drone's GPS intelligent tracking system allows it to follow selected subjects automatically, making it ideal for capturing dynamic footage without constant manual control. One of the standout features of the Wing 6 is its gesture recognition capability. When within 1 to 3 meters, the drone can detect photo or camera gestures, allowing users to take pictures hands-free with simple commands. This is particularly useful for selfies or group shots without needing a remote. For users looking for precise flight control, the drone supports multi-point route planning, enabling the aircraft to fly autonomously along a preset path. This allows the pilot to concentrate on capturing high-quality video or images without worrying about navigation. Additionally, the fixed-point surround feature enables the drone to circle around a specific point, giving dynamic panoramic footage controlled easily via joystick. The Wing 6 also includes a useful aircraft retrieval function. By clicking the GPS signal icon 3 times, a map interface opens to show the drone's last known location with detailed longitude and latitude coordinates, helping to recover the drone if it goes out of sight. Imaging capabilities are impressive with a 4K adjustable camera, ensuring sharp, high-resolution photos and videos. Media captured can be shared conveniently. Photos can be shared individually or in groups, while videos are shared one at a time, all with options to add music for enhanced presentation. Powering the drone is an 11.55V plug-in intelligent lithium battery, designed to provide stable and reliable flight time. Its foldable design adds to portability, making the Szwdse Wing 6 an excellent companion for both beginners and enthusiasts seeking advanced features in a compact drone.